Welcome. I'm glad to see you today. Are you ready to create? Today I want to create a bird feeder. What we'll need for this project is a cup. We will need some string. We will need our hole puncher. And we'll need some bird seed. So I will start by making a hole with our hole punch in each side of the cup. There we go. I'll try to come directly across. There we go. Now I'll take our string and I'll put one side through. And I will tie. Bring the other side through. And I'll tie. Okay. So then our bird feeder will hang like so. Then we'll take our bird seed and we will pour a little into the cup. There we go. And then we can take our cup outdoors and hang it up, and the birds should come and enjoy some bird seed. A very simple craft to do, isn't it? Very simple craft to create. Absolutely. I hope you and your special adult will take a little time to create a bird feeder this week. I'll see you again soon for more creating.